Those who danced were thought to be quite insane by those who could not hear the music. 'Twas always so, because those who can hear the music dance to the music, and those who can't hear the music think you're dancing to silence. So you're mad. And here's a sobering thought. Those that control this world, the institutions that control this world, the politicians, the doctors, the scientists, the education system, the academics, they are almost in their entirety people who cannot hear the music. And that is why the world is a madhouse.
Now I want to do a video. Coffee in my system now I want to do a video. Coffee in my system. Want to do a video. Fuck niggas hating on me.
What's up, guys? How you guys feeling? You feeling good? I'm feeling great as well. What up, Thank Billions, Hexillionaire, Ahmad, DJ Pauly Wood, Alex, Digital Substance, Jamma Beans, Patrick, Bitcoin Babies, Mice Elf, George, Dakari, Crypto Bruh. What's up, Mice? Ron. Black Ink, Operator, Gasto, Blue, Crypto Coin Kid, Bit Butler, Camilla, Papa Nice Shelly, Kariga, Core. Shout out to everybody in the chat. It's a good day, man. It's a good day. What up, Custy Coin, Crypto Military Vet, OT Lungs? Hit the like button on your way in, guys. Probably gonna be a quieter video because Hex isn't in the title. We'll talk about Hex though. What up, Claire? LA Shanks, Josh, MC Chan, Salty Muck. What up, JoJo? Crypto weather? Soon. I bet y'all like, man, this studio gonna be dope. It's really not. It's just, I'm just really not doing anything. What's up, Los Angeles Print and Design? Your Weekly Crew, Cody. Double Top Crash. Listen, I know a lot of y'all like, man, you said it was going down. Hey man, I got bullish and I got proof. I got bullish a long time ago. What up, AK, BA, Blue, Jason? So if you guys got any comments or concerns, leave them in the chat so I can get to it. DC, Electric Buddha, Easy Money. All right, first off, before we get started, let me flex my proof on you guys real quick. A lot of you guys are. I've seen someone on my Twitter saying, "Hey man, I missed out on the second bull run because you said it was going 10K." First off, I didn't say it was going 10K. I said 15. Okay. Second of all, don't listen to what people say and don't do. You know, we all know that. But third of all, I got bullish on August. What day was this? It's called "Oh my God, Bitcoin just hit my bullish level." Because people in my Telegram was like, man, you said it was going down like Richard Hart. Yeah, and then I changed my mind when it got bullish. So make sure you enjoy those. Can't nobody hold me down. That's the new joke, how many pallets? All right, so. Ghetto as fuck. All right, so here's Bitcoin. It's actually not even that bad. I'm not gonna even come up with it like this. You know what I mean? Broke above this level. Okay? That's very bullish for me. What? You see this above this level. Okay? That's very bullish for me. You see this trend goes back. Okay? That's very bullish for me. Broke above this level. Okay? That's very bullish for me. Broke above this level. You can see up here, okay? 40,000. It's very bullish for me. All right? So let's kill that. I've been bullish. Nobody cared because post chain was out. This was August 9th. All right, let's go ahead and look at some charts. Yeah, I don't care about Bitcoin either, man, but
I mean, you can't ignore it today. Let's look at the market. It's biggest gainers. Bitcoin up a whopping 6%. Oh my God, I'm gonna come on myself. Up 6%, up to $66,282. That means if you had $100 in Bitcoin yesterday, you now have 106. Make some noise. Woo! I know, them gains is crazy. All right, settle down. Ethereum up 6% as well. Breaking 4,000, same thing. Woo! Ethereum finally above 4,000 again. Is going to 40,000, and ETH fees are going to be like $10,000 for a transfer. Yes! So great. What's up, chat? What's up, Easy Money? All right, let's look at these charts, man. Let me stop playing. Looking at these charts. So this is the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, it's going up. It's at new all-time highs. How high is it gonna go? I don't think it's going to 100K. I'll say that. I don't think Bitcoin sees 100K. I think it stopped short at about. I mean, at 98, people would probably. I mean, that sounds pretty. That sounds pretty toppy. Like 98, 99, people will still say it went to 100,000. Kind of like how I went to 19,000 in 2017, but it really, everyone was saying it went to 20,000, but it really only went to 19,000. Something like that, maybe 99. I think it doesn't stop at like 80 or 90 though. If it's gonna go, which it probably is because of the new all-time high. So new all-time high, it's probably going to get, probably gonna go, much higher. I don't want to say much higher, but it's gonna see some gains. I think we'll see 70, 80. I don't think that the bulls will stop until about 100. Let's see on the daily chart. We got Bitcoin breaking out. Now we can clear this out. It did, it broke above that. I actually thought it was going to break above that anyway. And now we're inside of this uptrend here. And like I said, I think it's going to do one of these numbers. Now I do have some bearish stuff that I want to talk about, unfortunately. I know. Let me catch up with a little bit of chat. What will Bitcoin do to Hex? We're going to talk about that right after I look at this boring ass chart. What are your thoughts on it? I don't know what that is. Trey brought you Hex and shit. I mean, come on, yo. Like, I mean, I'm not even doing it for that. It's just fun trying to be right. Let's see who else we got in the building. What's up, Rick Smits? Just want to say what's up to everybody. Don't want to miss any names. Not all, but most. What's up, Ian? Frozen screen now. All right. So we're at new all-time high. Cleared this high here. Right there. So we're at a new all-time high. Price discovery. Price discovery means we don't know. We have to discover what price people feel Bitcoin is. Overbought. That's pretty much all I can say about Bitcoin. I want to look more at this. I want to look at what people aren't talking about. First thing I want to talk about, this greed, fear and greed index is at 82 now. Anytime it gets up that high, someone asked me, should you buy Bitcoin here? I wouldn't. I mean, unless you're a millionaire, maybe. But even if you're a millionaire already, maybe buy a dip. But anytime Bitcoin or the greed index is up here, maybe take some profit on the market. Now, that's another thing. When I say take profit, don't mean get out of crypto, guys. Like, I mean, I know a lot of y'all guys, you guys are probably smart, but some people like that come in scraggling around, I say take profit. That means I'm getting out the whole market. I mean, you can take profit with $5. You know what I'm saying? So even though I got bearish at 61, I never got out of crypto. Actually, my strategy didn't even change much. I just was leaning more into USD a little bit when I'm taking my profit instead of taking profit into another altcoin. So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to look at is this altcoin season index. We had a move up. We're trending back down towards a Bitcoin season. So maybe this is a good time to start eyeing alts. That's what I'm doing. If you've been a member, you can see that I'm kind of dabbling into the shitties a little bit, trying to get some big supply positions in some of these small caps because it's the best way to do it, really. That's the best way to do it. Is just try and get a certain percentage of a finite supply. That's what I'm doing with the altcoins. Bitcoin stock to flow, I would say X 100 trillion USD. Why he isn't tweeting about this? Well, yeah, I know why he's not, because it's topping. So because every time that we are about, we'll say about 900 days, and this was my plan way back here. Whenever we're 900 days until the next Bitcoin halving, maybe take some profits. Because every time we're about 900 days away from the halving, it's a top signal. It means that, you can't really be too excited about Bitcoin. Then we got the ETF. So, Bitcoin is bullish, but maybe 400,000. But still, though, how much is that? You could do that in an altcoin. I think I think Bitcoin is a store of value, right? Store of value. So get you some value first and store that in Bitcoin. Don't try and make the value in Bitcoin. I think you can if you not intelligent enough. It's a really simple play. But I think if you're trying to get some value, maybe small caps. That's just what I think. But yeah, stock to flow doesn't look good. 6% is a bad day in Hex. Too bad my portfolio isn't 100% Bitcoin and I'm already a quadrillionaire, or I would kind of care a little bit. I do have a good chunk of it. Is like actually it's pulling a Hex. It's like holding my portfolio up steady. So, I ain't really complaining. We're going to lose all the money trying to buy crypto. That's why we need Pulse. I feel that. 4K ETH. Yeah, let's look at the gas fees on that. Let's look at ETH. Let's look at the big caps for once. I don't really like looking at big caps because it's pretty lame, but yep, all-time high for the Ethereums as well. So that means that the gas fees are probably not fun. Let's look at them. Where is my gas fees? Shit at? Which one of you are the fees? Gas. 131. That's not how I measure fees. I measure fees by trying to end the stake, by trying to end a hex stake. So I can bet that if I try to end a hex stake right now, it's probably going to be like $1,000. Maybe someone in the chat can tell me. 72 to 85K, possibly. You guys want to see hex? Let's put some ones in the chat if you guys want to see hex. Just for the algo. It's just for the algo. Not all, but most. Yeah, miners. Yeah, I need some strong moves. 9K is a 50% move from here. Yeah. Yeah, I think we got to see a pullback too. I don't really, that's why I say I'm glad that I got bullish at like 40,000, whatever. What price was that actually? August 9th. Because I don't like being bearish, man, on cryptos. It's like, I feel like the enemy. I feel like Peter Schiff. It's not fun. Let's see. August. What price was that? 43. So it was 43, not 53. I've been saying 53 this whole time. 43 is when I got bullish. All right. Let's look at Hex. Ooh, yay. Hex, huge dump. Had a nice rebound, real good rebound. Yesterday, day before yesterday. Now it's looking a little sketch. We're about to get a bearish cross here on the hourly, breaking some support levels. Oh, okay. Yep, breaking some support levels. Yeah, I want to see this level 29 cents. Let's see that hold. Even if we drop below, you know, it's not gonna be looking bad no time soon for Hex. It's gotta go really low for us to be like, damn, we're going down lower. So this is still the short-term bottom. We could break this support level here and maybe come down to 28, and then people start getting really bearish again. But if we come down to 28, I want to see a wake up. If we get a bearish cross, I want to see us hold this level 29. You know, really, we need to stay above 30 cents. If we fall, we need to get back above 30 cents. If we don't, let's start to move it out a little bit. So yeah, we got rejected at this trend line right here. Rejected here. Now we're cooling off. And we also, I mean, we don't see it quite, you know, we don't really see it yet. We have a new low, so we can technically draw it. Technically. Right? So we're having a little consolidation here. This bounce isn't looking good. We've got 28 minutes on it, so we'll probably see it before the end of the stream. Maybe. Because I want to go play Warzone. Got my first win the other day. I'm a beast. I don't even play that much. Man. Guys, just one Warzone win, man. Stop it. Settle down. All right. So we're in this trend. I want to see us break above here, obviously. Let's get above this resistance line and start to head up to this 13, which is about 35 cents right now. Yeah, next level I want to see broken is this level right here, 34. So we can test this right here. Let's look at it on a daily chart. Let me catch up with the chat. Can we see your Bitcoin chart to 400,000? Yeah, let me show you that. Let's look at that real quick. Let's look at that real quick. You know what? I think I still got that soul prediction on there. Oh, the soul prediction still's on there. Oh, my soul. Oh, it was on there. It was on track though for a hot minute, bro. Oh yeah, let's see. Did I delete it? I might have deleted it, man. I could redraw it though, because I knew where I drew it from. But I think we're damn, I deleted that shit. No way. Huh. Damn, I'm gonna work on putting it back because I knew I copied the move from, I think, this halving cycle back here. I copied it from like right here, and then I put it like right here. So I'll work on putting it back, but I think we might just barely be on track. I mean, if this shit's going, I just don't think that's gonna happen, man. Like, it would really have to just look at how close we are. The prediction topped out right here. So you can say this right here is where 400,000 was. So January 2022. You think Bitcoin can get to, I mean, it could. That's actually a hot minute from now. But man, I'd be really surprised to see Bitcoin go to 400,000 by the end of the year. That'd be insane. Yeah, man, I've been on point for years, bro. It's just that people hear what they want to hear. Nobody heard me when I said I'm bullish here. Nobody heard that shit because the post-chain sacrifice was going on. And it was called, oh my God, Bitcoin's turned bullish. Nobody's gonna, just like this one. This one, I have less live viewers than normal because I'm talking about Bitcoin. Nobody on my channel cares about Bitcoin. But I mean, man, what else am I gonna talk about? Appreciate that bit, Max. Appreciate the membership. Enjoy the bonus content on the community tab. Ahmad with the 5. Hey, Trey, thoughts on weigh you? What you wanna weigh me for? I'm like I'm giving you my weight, nigga. I don't even know how much I weigh. 111. All right. Of course, everybody want to look at Hex. 66666. Yeah, that might be the. Oh no, 667. Let's get it in here. All right, let's finish with Hex. Hex on the daily. Yeah, same thing. It didn't capture that 13. No capture of the 13 on this first move. It's pulling back. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna definitely watch this to see how it plays out today. Richard Hart's going live. I mean, not expecting anything, but be good to hear him answer some questions from, he's doing a meetup. So I want to hear, I really want to hear what's up Pulse Chain. What's the ETA? Is it still 2 months? I'm ready. Do I need to buy some more Pulse Doge or what? Pulse Doge is my way of buying Pulse before Pulse. 98% stake. I feel that. Yeah, I am too. Even though I have some coming out. But what up, D Biggie? 1111111. All right. 195. It depends on how long your stake is, or how long your stake was. What's up, Devon? Bitcoin will go to 15K with new all-time high? No. And you must be getting here late. What's up, Brazil? Checking ETH fee about 100. 20 cent hex? I mean, I would probably start to buy some there. Okay, I'll look at let me look at it real quick before I forget. Don't expect a lot of looking into it though, bro. All right, I already don't like the logo. 2 million in volume. How old is it? Oh man, have fun. Have fun, bro. Look at the website. It's on Binance. I'm a little curious because it is moving. Got NFTs? Nope. Sure don't. Both for adoption design for brighter future. NFT stuff, go to hell. Dump it. The NFTs are easy. You get the NFT, you get the first NFT on that blockchain. Buy those, the first couple editions, and just sit on them. You don't have to be doing NFT that, NFT this. Like when Pulse Chain comes out, whoever does the first NFT on Pulse Chain, buy them. As long as it's not whack. But, buy them. Get a couple and just chill. You don't have to be in every NFT project. That's been proven. Crypto kitties, crypto punks. Those were the first ones. All this other trash is going to zero. You're not going to be able to sell it. I've been eyeball on 22 cent. Appreciate the super chat. I've been eyeball on 22 cent in 17. I still haven't got any. Appreciate that, Kariga. What up, Andre? Appreciate that, Bollywood. Why does no one talk about how cryptos make humanity better? It literally can free us from overseer financial. Yo, literally everyone is talking about that. Literally everyone talks about that. That's like the first thing that everybody talks about. Maybe we see a bear market and BTC just slowly climbs until, I thought about that too. Like that it could be a situation where something happens that's never happened before, where Bitcoin just keeps on climbing. And during this green period, it just consolidates. I mean, that's what this was, what I'm saying? Like this was a consolidation, even though it broke lower, but I don't think we're going to see that parabolic. I would just be completely surprised and rich if it went straight to like 400,000. Because if Bitcoin's at 400,000, then everything's up like 10x. So go ahead. X is the ish though, but BTC is the grandpa. Yeah. What up, Josh? B swap, yes, B swap looking good. Let's check on some of. Let's look at Pulse Doge real quick. Pulse Doge had a nice pump yesterday, but it ran into some resistance. This was a good sign of a reversal here though, but it just didn't hold. Breaking this swing high here. We can delete this. So now let's just see how it's consolidating down here. Let's see if it has another swing at this. It doesn't have to go far. Or does it roll over and test 1.5, which is where I kind of want to buy some. So, yeah, I'm accumulating. I bought some here. I even bought some last night, like here. Did I buy some this morning? I'm not sure if I bought some this morning, but I'm gonna try. I'm under 2 cents. I'm gonna buy some Pulse Doge. What's another we got going on? BSW over $1. Nice. Glad I DCA'd on the way down there. And I wish I would have bought. I wish I would have DCA'd a little bit lower. I wish I would have got some at 22 cents. Qubit, okay. BFG. I expected a little bit more from BFG because of BSW. Berry glass up 2%. Nice. Pulse Shiba up 87. CNS still down. Pulse Cake, Pulse Cake, Pulse Shib. I'm not really expecting too much from those. Pulse Floki, same thing. I think the meme coin has been decided. Go do something else. Build something else on Pulse. Pulse Cake's talking about they're going to be a pancake swap fork. I'm not expecting. I had a little theory that it might be the Richard Hart one, but I don't think that one would release the way it has. If this is the one, then dope. That's crazy. That's a crazy hellified stealth launch. Well played. But I don't think so. Pulse Shib, they're just the shit coin. Hex on Binance, I did see that tweet. Someone had a tweet where showed basically there was some, I guess you say metadata that Hex has a listing on Binance. Axion moved to Polygon. Fees are next to free, probably going to break all-time highs. I got some. Let's look at Axion. What it ain't gonna be on? It ain't gonna be on Pulse Chain. What am I doing? I'm gonna do it here. Axion. All right, it ain't gonna be on Pulse Chain. That's one place it ain't gonna be. Let's see. Yeah, man, I got a bag. I'm not buying any here though. If it pulls back to here, I might get some and do a stake. This level back here. Might not get it. Cool with me. I got some. I expected it to go to zero. That's what I do, man. I hold cryptos. If they go on the red, I just hold them. And sometimes they come back as a miracle. On some Jesus shit. Hex on Binance ain't the real Hex. Rex got wrecked. You don't think it's the real Hex? What Hex is it then? What do you think about Pulse Cake? Oh yeah, liquid loan. Liquid loans. I'm interested in that one because it's kind of like what I'm doing over there on Geist. How you buy Pulse Doge on Binance? Smart chain. Bitcoin breaks all-time high means that X is going to pump even higher than BTC maxis FOMO into X. They will never FOMO into X. But yeah, when Bitcoin pulls back, I do think Hex will have a little. I think this move right here is gonna come to an end here shortly. Actually, nothing on the RSI yet though. But next couple of days, it'll probably. I don't think it. It could though. Like I was here. This shit can just keep on going up and just for like 4 weeks straight. Yeah, I can't wait for Pulse Chain either, bro. I can't wait. Thoughts on Omi? You mean Omi and Hellcat? Or the coin? I've been buying Pulse Doge with my trust wallet. I'm going to get Pulse Chain Rewards. Nah, it's not a Reflect token. That's what's dope about it. It's just the token that's just there. But they say they're coming out with eco staking. That'll be dope. What up, DeFi Dior? You telling me you ain't joking. Yeah, I feel you though. Pump even higher than yeah. I wouldn't even say Bitcoin maxis. Like when you say Bitcoin maxis, I automatically think about like the popular people, like Tonvays, you know, those type of guys. I don't think they'll ever buy Hex, and if they do, they ain't gonna tell you. But average people, yeah, I imagine it's gonna be hard to ignore Hex. That's just how I feel. Like I was looking at this. I think it's coin fair value. Hex is number 4 in the world. Now I didn't really look into these numbers. I don't really care that much, but you know, when sites report the true data, it's gonna be hard to ignore it. That's just how I feel. Maybe they just never allow. Maybe they just. But I mean, most sites. You know what I'm saying? Most sites actually show Hex the right way, like Etherscan. Yeah, most sites are pretty accurate when it comes to Hex. Let's see if this is the right. Where can I get Hex without them height? You can't get them anywhere actually. I think it might be on I should ain't loaded. It might be on Matic. Yeah, there it is, number 3. It's just nobody comes to this page really. Economy. What's up, Corey? Hey, let's look at. Oh, don't tell nobody. Yep. It's a full moon tonight. Ass Nick. What's up, Sultan? Hi. Thoughts on Aeon? It can go to all-time high? I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, of course. It's a cryptocurrency versus a dollar. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I've seen this. Yeah, man. Let's zoom out and see how far. Well, I mean, yeah. Hold on, let's keep on going. It's an old coin. God damn, all-time high? Man, you kind of made me want to buy some. Because, yeah, the answer is yeah, it can. If all the coins that have any value, they go to their all-time highs. So, let me see. I look at economy. I remember that coin and I didn't. And when I first looked into it, it didn't resonate with me. So I just kind of, when I hear that coin economy, I just kind of tune it out. But I'll look at it in a second. A new approach for the Aeon community. Rebuilding to find out more about change and strategy. It's on its own chain. That's where crypto is going though. You're gonna have to, coins are gonna be on their own. I have a tough time having faith in the blockchains that go outside the EVM, outside of Ethereum, outside the 0x. If you go out, if your address doesn't start with 0x, I feel like you're gonna have a hard time. That's just how I feel. Like something like this, I gotta download a desktop wallet. Where can I sell it at? You know what I'm saying? Where can I buy it at? If I can't easily buy it or sell it, then that's the first thing that how you spell that shit? Economy Omi. Yeah, I don't think that's on ETH. Oh, see, they already fucking up. You can't even find it. Yeah, have fun. Have fun. I don't buy here. If I might buy here or down here, you know. If I'm gonna buy this, it's gonna have to chill out and then start to reverse. You know, and then how do I buy it? App-based marketplace, premium license, digital collectibles, you know. I see a lot of coins that weren't about NFTs at first are starting to kind of like, oh, we're NFTs too. I don't really remember economy being about NFTs, but still, you know, just have fun. It's not my thing. Remember Blaze Economy? Hey, that was actually pretty. I wish I could go back and, you know, I tried to, not too long ago, I tried to go look at Blaze Economy. I couldn't find the website. I wanted to see how it works so I could be like, yo, what was this? Because it was something different. I forgot how it worked. Totally forgot. But it was dope. Yeah, that's the problem with BCC. Exactly. You are exactly right. BCC would be, man, imagine if BCC was on Ethereum, yo. I actually been like trying to like psychologically get somebody to do that shit. To snapshot the BCC blockchain and then keep out all the whales, keep the whale wallets out. If you got a certain amount, over a certain amount of BCC, you're not including in it. But all the smaller wallets, keep those, fork it, put that shit on Ethereum. Just and have in mind, it, you know, my God, it's like the easiest meme. Yo, you said you're gonna talk about Pulse. What's up? What's there to say? There's nothing to say about Pulse. Ask me a question about Pulse. I don't have nothing. I don't said everything. Guardian Archive. What do you think about Beam? Shitcoin. It's just a shitcoin. I wouldn't put much faith into it. It's been around a long time. Man, what did he say? What did Shannon Sharp say? What was he saying? I like Zoo Crypto World NFTs. They haven't money power to mine more Zoo. That's still one of the biggest roadblocks for a lot of people is not being able to get crypto easy unless you really know what you're doing. Yeah, that actually also tells you how early you are. All right, what time is it? I'm about to go play some Warzone. Yeah, it's not a problem. You know what I'm saying? Just have a nice website, have a good plan for it. All you have to do is do kind of like what Post Doge is doing. Just make it. Man, what did he say though? That ain't a problem. That ain't a problem. That ain't a problem. That's what he said. That ain't a problem. Yeah, man. All right, I'm about to get out of here. Links in the description to become a member. Links in the description to come to my gaming channel. I'm about to be on there in like 5 minutes. Going for win number 2. You know, I'm a sweaty COD boy now. So gonna have some amazing gameplay. Economy is a completely different coin. Altcoin is the legendary Pokemon Dragon Ball Z. Yeah. It's probably gonna go, man. But you know, this is my channel, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to tell you what I would do, what I'm doing. You know, and you say, interesting. Well, I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? And exchange ideas, you know. But economy, I'm not gonna go out my way to buy that. It's too easy to buy cryptos. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's too easy to do cryptos with all these bridges, like the Evo, the what's that bridge called? Evo DeFi bridge. I mean, dude, what do I, you know what I'm saying? It's no needs for me to be trying to go out my way to buy a crypto. You know, I would say what I'm doing is I'm just ignoring. If it has its own chain, and it's not compatible, I'm not even paying attention to it. It's not even worth paying attention to. That's just how I feel. Yeah, I wouldn't. I ain't saying I don't believe you. Let's look at the chart again. But is it? Well, let me ask you this: is it on Ethereum? Is it on Ethereum? That's all I really want to know. Where the block explorer at? Man, let me go to CoinMarketCap. I try to show economics love, but CoinMarketCap got the stats, man, and they got like the good data. When CoinMarketCap want to have the good data, they got the good data. When they want to report it, 1 billion market cap. Yeah, man. Where was you at down here, man? Where was you at, bro? I think it's always come up. I mean, it is pulling back though. It's pulling back. But I mean, how much am I going to buy this? Explorer. Okay. So it's on MetaMask. It's MetaMask. Didn't ask. Nah, bad. Chill. Pay attention. Is it on Ethereum? What up, Crypto More? Yeah, economy been out. Yeah. Oh, it's moving to ETH. Okay, that'll help it. I mean, yeah, man. Like, if it's moving to ETH, then that changes my tune a lot. But I wasn't early. You know, I missed out on all. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes from where I'm at with crypto, I just miss out and I just get on the next everything. It's always until the .com bubble pops, I'm just getting in on the early stuff. I'm looking for the next Amazon and just chill. Take another peek at the prices. Yeah, man, I wouldn't buy it. Bitcoin here. I'll wait for a pullback. Okay, that's a good little bounce there. Delete this. All right. Let's keep it real. That's where I'm at with it. Dot. I have some, but not a lot. It's a cool song. Yeah, man. Yeah, Dot is a good one because it's going up to all-time high. So, you know, ideally for me, what I want to do if I'm buying cryptos, I either buy them up here or, you know, I mean, it's a couple different ways. Like if I was to go, you know, buying here, if you're paying attention, if you don't fall asleep, this is where a lot of people get put to sleep on charts. They stop watching them. They just accept that it's going down and then it stops. Yeah, but it's just so hard to buy cryptos when you're supposed to buy them. And that's when nobody cares, nobody's excited. That's when it's the best time. I'm out.